Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Day Trade with Zay. I'm Isaac, and today it is Monday, April 4th, 2020. So, what I see here, let me just go ahead and back it up for a little bit. So, this is the trade that we took this past Friday. We were able to catch, this is actually isn't correct. What did I catch? I caught like 63 pips or something like that of this trade, of the potential, 199 pips that it could have been. You know what I mean? So some we need to work on, but we're able to catch a beautiful trade off of this bearish pennant. So I seen this bearish pennant forming and was able to draw out. We're pretty patient, draw out the Fibonacci and seeing that there was a good trade right here lined up with the 15-minute EMAs, the 5-minute EMAs, and we're able to take it. But now we could actually see after that was created, there was a lower high created, a higher low, higher high, higher than this high, higher low, higher than this one, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Now I do think this can also be like a bullish pennant, something like this right here. And it is rejecting a key area, right? So the same area that we took the sell off of is the same area that, we took the sell from up here. Same area. Oh yeah, so you can see my 68 pips right here. My original trade was actually this one, down to this area, and then this is actually what happened. So yeah, but I think this could be happening again. You could kind of see it forming right here. It's not as clear cut, but I definitely see it, right? There's a trend line being followed right here, being respected clearly, right? And even though these highs are breaking above, you can still see it's essentially in this level, right? Something like that. So there is a bullish pennant, and I think it could come back up here and fall. But I just want to stick to the game plan, right? And for me, I see buys, right? Just because I feel like, if this wasn't the breaker structure, then this was. And if this wasn't the breaker structure, then this was. It even broke this lower high right here. So I feel like, we're in a bull, right? Like we're in a bull market, at least for this morning. And we'll see what it gives us. It's already respected this area right here. I noticed this when I opened it up a couple minutes ago. And it's already respected this ILC with the 15-minute 50 EMA. The trend line is being respected. Everything's being respected right here. So I drew out what could possibly happen right here. And even though, it's hard for me to say, right? Higher high, higher low, higher high. Is this the higher low? And then lower high, lower low, and then we had a break of structure right here. It's possible, but I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure I'd say that, especially when we look at the 15-minute. So we'll see exactly what happens right here, but even this trade right here looked pretty good because I did see the 5-minute 50 EMA. Let's just draw that out. There's the 5-minute, 15-minute EMA. Let's make it clear. There's a 5-minute 50, and you can see it's already kind of rejecting that right now. So we'll see what it gives us. We're about 11 to 10 minutes out from open, and we'll see if it gives us something that we could trade from. And you can see the rejection here already. Remember, this is the same level that we took the sell off from. This was a golden zone IOC that I was looking to possibly buy from, but broke through that. Seen that this ILC was in here. Boom, ILC and ILC. So these were all the confirmations. The ILC inside of the ILC, side of this key supply and demand area. You can see resistance, a little bit of support, resistance, resistance. So it was a key area. Then we took it off of the 15 and 5 minute EMAs. I had these lined up, and everything just, there was a bunch of confirmations to take this trade right here. But this is the same level that's been rejected right here as well. So we'll see. It looks like it's already doing what I kind of want it to do, which is pre-New York, make its way down here, or pre-open, make its way back down here, and then we could possibly take a buy off of the retest right here, or it comes down to this level. So I'm thinking possibly we see something like this. And I mean, that's actually not too bad when you think about it. We'll just call it a 25 pip stop loss. And then we could possibly take it up to this level or even this level, which isn't bad. It's a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. And, let's see what it gives us right here. I kind of do like it. It's just a matter of if it goes for us, right? So what we're assuming too is that there's going to be a clear break of structure on a bigger time frame too, if we're looking for it to push above this high right here. So once we have it broken above this high, then I'd be looking for a break of structure to the upside. But there's a lot of levels we got to get through to get up here, right? We got to break through the EMAs. We got to break through ILC1, previous ILC that's been respected multiple times, and we got to break through here. So it's definitely like a road right here, right? So we'll see if it plays out the way we need it to. Got about 8 minutes till open, so let's see if it does it for us. So let's see what it gives us. So the respect's already been shown at this level right here. And I mean, I don't think this is a break of structure right here. I think it's just a small retracement, creating a lower high. And it could come back down and it could break through on us, and that would suck, but it is what it is at that point, right? But you can see what I'm seeing right here. It's just the creation of higher highs and higher lows. I feel like we've had break of structures to the upside, so let's see. I mean, we got about 6 minutes till open. I think it could make its way down here and give us a buy entry right here. So we'll see right now. Let's change these colors. Usually I like to associate red with like a sell. So now that we're kind of in an uptrend right now, let's just go ahead and switch these out. Green and blue I associate with bears and profits and buys, so. Get my charts ready real quick. Got the 15-minute open. See here. And like I said, one thing I like to do as a scalper is I have my laptop, and then I bought 2 monitors to connect to it. So 3 screens total. I like to have the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and the 15-minute charts on each screen, just so I can I see all the charts basically, right? So I can see how they're moving, how they're reacting, what it's looking like, and if it's going with my bias. Because candlesticks tell you the story about what's happening. So we could see the rejections right here, engulfing candle on the 5 minute. All right. Got the 15 minutes set up in the middle on my smaller chart. know what, we'll put the 1 minute on this one. You can see it. So you can see how I rejected the 5-minute ILC, or I'm sorry, the ILC here. Rejected that. Right? Came in, rejected the ILC, essentially. Right there. So you could see the ILC wicked in, rejected it. Also with the 15-minute, I'm sorry, the 5-minute 50 EMA, rejected that. And then it's been somewhat rejecting the 1-minute 50 EMA. So let's see. Looks pretty clean, right? To come back down our way. And I mean, this would have been a nice sell. I just don't want to go against the trend too much. But yeah, the sell would be, I mean, truthfully, I would have to probably put the stop loss above here, so about 30 pips. And there's a chance we could see it right down here. Right, on a bigger time frame, maybe down to this level. But let's see if it could just get back and show us what we want. Got about 2 minutes till open. Let's get the MT4 ready. Alright, it's go time. See what it gives us. Kind of want to take the sell right there, if I'm just being honest. Good thing I didn't. Damn. I mean, it looks like it possibly making it back up to that zone up there. I mean, if we miss the buy, I mean, we'll see right here. There's the big one right here. It might reject right here. You can see the rejection already happening. Still got about 10 seconds, but I like a positive, because we already have all these rejections right here, right? But if it, oof, that's a big rejection. thinking about putting a sell, that rejection. I just put in a 0.05 sell really late. Well, I guess not too late, but it's pretty late. And this is a big area, right? So I'm going to have a 10 pip stop loss basically just above this wick and see if it comes down. Okay. We're in profit right now. About 14 pips. Let's see if it can make it down though. I'm gonna exit the trade. I'm exiting the trade just because, you know what? What am I doing? We're in a buy, and here's the trend line, right? So the trend line's been set, and you see how it's already kind of rejecting it. I'm gonna wait for price to come down to my zone, and I'm gonna put in a buy. Oh shit! Maybe that was the entry. Damn. I guess it wasn't that far away from it. Damn. And that's why I exited the trade. What am I doing, right? I got buys in, or I got sells in on a bull market. No way. I just put in a. I'm just gonna put in a buy right now. Let's see if it gives us a good entry, right here on top of the EMA. Okay, I put a buy in right now. Let's see if it can make its way up. Got in a lot later than I would have liked to, but we're in there. And let's see if it can make its way up now. Remember, it has to break through this too. It's a key area. Sheesh. I'm only up about 2 pips right now. Got in late, like I said. Oof, I don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna hop out of that trade. Man, that was clean. That was super clean. I just took this shit is playing right now. I think the buy is the move. But I just took like a $75 loss. $76, so I'm down 12 bucks on the day. But I think, my opinion, I think the buy is the move. We still have a lot of time on all these candles, but I think the buy is the move. Just when I look at like the rejection on the 15 minute, the 5 minute, obviously there's still a lot of time and it can still reject everything, but I'm going with my bias of higher highs and higher lows, and I'm sticking to it. So I'm in there. I got in a couple positions super late, 17.90 and 23.95, but I'm in there. So let's see if it can break through this bitch. Shouldn't have taken that $75 loss, but let's go. We're up. Damn, still rejecting that area, huh? See if it could keep moving up. I'm gonna move. Oof. I'm gonna move my stops to break even on both positions. Moving my stops to break even on both positions. 924.50. 924.50, and then I'm going to move my bottom position, and it's in at 918, 917.90, so I'll move that to 918 just so we have it. Alright, that thing's moving. I'm going to take my first take profit right here. First take profit right there. Right here. Oh shit, just hit it. Alright, just took first take profit. That was about $138, $137. Let's see if the next one could keep it pushing. Shit, I forgot to record it for the Instagram. This is a key level though, right? So TP1 was right here. Hopefully it stays the course, but I think it should, right? Let's zoom out. We'll probably see retracement. That's why I have my first TP right there, so we could secure, you know, some profits right there. And shit, this is a key level, right? And we have to break above this. If this doesn't break above, well, now we're looking at something totally different. But I like I said, I'm following the higher highs and higher lows, and I think we should create higher high, possibly to the 27%, retrace, and then we'll find our higher low, but we'll get out of it at the 27%. That's my goal. We've already secured some dollars. We've already moved stop loss to break even. Here was our original trade setup, and I actually got in a lot later than that at the top of this formation, basically, right here. Still has to break above it. So I'm in at 918, 917.90. So we're up about 30 pips. No, 40 pips, right? Yeah, about 40 pips, 44 pips. Whoops. Okay, it's moving. All right, take profits right there. I'm gonna take a few dollars out. I'm gonna take out a couple points, right? Just because it's at our TP. Secure a 0.02. That puts us at 231 for the day. And next TP is going to be this level up here. I'm going to see if we can hit that. I'll probably take out the rest of the position at that point. So let's see. We secured 231 for the day. Took a small win on this sell, small loss on the buy that was kind of coming down. So we'll see now. We got about 140 floating, 130 floating. It's coming down a little bit, which I think we should see the retracement, but we'll see. Sheesh, I hope it ain't coming down from here. That would suck because we have seen it break above, right? Let's see here. If it loads up. There we go. Actually, no, it broke above, so. But, I don't know. Is this an ILC right here? There is an ILC right here, right? That it looks like it's being respected. But let's see. I mean, we're still in it. Alright. I'm going to pull out a couple more dollars. Key level. Right. Pull out another 70. That put us at 300 for the day. Alright, let's see if we could get some more. There's a lot of push behind this, right? A lot of push. You know what? I think I'm going to... Yeah, it just hit a key level for me again. So I'm going to pull out another 0.01, another $72, and then I'll let the rest run. The rest I'm going to let run. So that was 70... we're at 372 for the day. The next one, we're going to let go to the 61.8%. And we're still in this key level right here, right? This is a key level. This was a key sell-off level for me that wasn't hit. But I do see some, I do see the possibility of it pushing up a little bit more up to this level because we have IMGs that need to be filled. But you can see the rejection. Sheesh. I don't know if I think I should just secure the dollars. $400 day I think I could do. Yeah, I could reverse on us right here. I mean, look at that move that we caught, though. It's going to have to retrace at some point. Fuck it, let's just secure the dollars. We'll be done with the day. That put me at 446 for the day. I'll take it. You know, even though it's probably going to go up more, I'll take it. There's a key ILC that hadn't been hit yet, so I'm assuming that the respect will be there. But fuck it, we made it. We even took a win, got a win right here early on the sell-off back down to the level. Jumped out of it because we knew, well, I knew like, all right, what am I doing? Let's look for the buy. Put in the buy, took a loss after there was a huge rejection down. And then, you know, I looked at the 5-minute chart, I looked at the 15-minute chart, and I liked what I seen. So, you know, we're able to secure some dollars, and we'll take it. At the end of the day, it wasn't like a humongous day, but a $440 day is always a great day. So, we'll take that. And this is a key level right here too, right? Shit. I don't know why I did that. That was a stupid accident. I accidentally put in a sell right now. I mean, I'm sure I could probably make money, but never go against the trend. Lost $6 on that. Shit. That was a mistake. Well, damn. 446 to 439. We'll take it. 440. But yeah, it looks like it'll come down from here. Just because this was a key level, right? A key golden zone ILC that wasn't touched. And it'll probably make its way either here, use this as a support level to springboard back up, or it could come all the way back down to here and use this resistance as support. Love you. Have a good day. Good luck. Text me. Call me.
Watch your kids.
Love you more. Wifey headed off to school. Yeah, look at it. It's gonna make its way back up there, I'm pretty sure. And this is where I gotta get better in holding my trades, but we caught the move. I'll take it. Damn, look at that. Yeah, that shit's gonna fly up probably. What I seen, let me just show you about the IMG fills, is this thing needs to be filled to here. An institutional mitigation gap. So most gaps need to be filled. You can see this gap here needed to be filled. Price filled it. This gap probably needs to be filled, right, up to the 61.8%. Once that gets filled, then it'll probably make its way back down. We see the retracement. We secured the dollars. That's all that matters at the end of the day. Bottom line is a bottom line. And yeah, I think it will come up to at least here and fill this, though. We'll see. We're seeing some retracement now. But, you know, we caught the move, and we'll take that. So we didn't catch the entire move. We kind of waited. I was waiting for it to come over here, but respected the trend line. We got in a little late, and we're able to ride this for 74 pips, I think it was. And yeah, we got in, we got out. That was less than a 15-minute trade. Boom. We'll take that, right? So yeah, that was like a 10-minute trade. You can't be mad at $440 in 10 minutes, no matter who you are, right? So it looks like it's still gonna push up from here, but fuck it. It is what it is at this point. I appreciate you guys for tuning in with me, man. I hope you guys were able to catch some. Were you guys able to catch it? Johnny, if you're on here, were you able to catch the trade? I don't know who's watching. Or whoever's watching, were you guys able to catch the trade? Let me know. Got in, got out. I'll go ahead and post my entries and shit on Instagram. But yeah, this is a pretty fire trade. I ain't gonna lie, right? We're able to catch this thing to the upside, stuck to our bias after we took this little dumb sell, and you know, took a little loss right there. We'll take it. So that was about a 9-minute trade, which, you know, at the end of the day, yes sir. There you go, Johnny. Caught the trade. Yeah, man. Overall, that was a fire ass trade. I think, you know, it's still gonna move up here, but overall, I think it was a good trade. So I'll go ahead and today I'm gonna do the breakdown video though. That's gonna start. I'm actually, you know what? I'll do the breakdown video for Friday too, because that was a pretty clean trade as to why I took it. So I'll go ahead and complete the breakdown video for that Friday trade, and then I'll complete the breakdown video for today's trade, and you know, we'll just take it from there. Look at that rejection. Yeah, start doing that so you can see the breakdown video later, breakdown videos later tonight, and then go ahead and check out the Instagram, follow that. I'll go ahead and have my entries on there as well. And yeah, appreciate you guys for tuning in. Today was an easy day, right? We got in, we got out, which is the beauty of trading. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, see what the market gives us, if it does give us anything, and we just go from there. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and we'll see you tomorrow. Let's fucking go, man. Let's fucking go, dog.